All right, YouTube. I had like the hardest time trying to figure out this controller. So this is for the LED lights. I have the ones off Amazon. It's like 36 feet. I don't know. Anyways, I'm pretty sure a lot of you have trouble with these DIY buttons. And because of the broken English that the instructions have, didn't quite get it. It says just push the button and then use the arrow keys, right? So for instance, I pressed DIY 1. This is one that I actually customized and actually correctly did it. In order to do that, what you have to do is, so let's say I haven't programmed 4 yet. So 4, I guess I did 5. All right, 5 is your default. So that's your default white. It says use up or down on these 6 knobs, but what it is when you press it, white is actually the maximum setting of your red color, your green color, and your blue color. So your first step needs to actually be to decrease the other colors, because sometimes they try to start out by going up to get a different color. But as you can see, once you start going down, that's when you start noticing the color changes. So for instance, I'm going all the way down on green, all the way down on blue. And then it's getting more red. There you go. Green's all the way off. Blue's all the way off. Can't really see red. Turn the darkness. I don't know if that's going to work. Anyways, so now green and blue are all the way down. And then red, it's just red showing. So as you decrease the red, the brightness of that red will also go down until it is the darkest setting before it goes off. So push it up once, twice, three times, whatever. So if that's the red I want, if I want red, I just push that DIY button again. So for me, it was DIY 5. And this red should be saved as my DIY 5. So press DIY 6, boom, back to the white. Press DIY 5, boom, back to that red that I wanted. Hope that helped, because it took me forever to figure out. Enjoy.